So, our topic for today is about ratio and proportion. But first, let us define what is ratio and what is proportion. Ratio is the quantitative relation between two numbers, and it consists of antecedent, where it is the first term of a ratio, and consequent, which is the second term of a ratio. Proportion is the equality of two or more ratios.
There are ways in solving ratio and proportion. The first way is means and extremes, and the second way is the property of equal ratios. Means and extremes is a property of proportion that allows you to cross-multiply, taking the product of means and setting them equal to extremes. While another one is the property of equal ratios. Property of equal ratios states that if A is to B, C is to D are all equal ratios, then A is to B is equal to C is to D is equal to K. So let's try to solve ratio and proportion using the property of equal ratios. So this is the first equation. We are asked to find x, y, and z. In this equation, it's easy to eliminate y. So we are going to multiply this first equation to 2. So 2 times 6x plus 2y minus 4z is equals to 0. So 6 times 2, 12x, plus 2 times 2, 4y, 4 times 2, negative 8z is equals to 0. So bring down the second equation. 3x minus 4y plus 5z is equals to 0. So you are going to add this. It's easy to, so you are going to cancel now. 4y, this y. So 12 plus 3, 15x, so 8, so negative 3z is equals to 0. So now we are going to find x and z. So using transposition, 15x is equals to 3z. So x and z is equals to 3 over 15. So yeah, it shows that x is equals to 3. So it shows x is to 3 and z is to 15. So we are going to x is to 3 and z is to 15 is equals to k. So in this problem, it shows the property of equal ratio, which is a is to b, c is to d, is equals to k, is equal to k. So now you can easily find y by x is equals to 3k and z is equals to 15k. So for you to find y, we are going to substitute the x and z in this equation. You can use either this or this, pero we are going to use this. So 6x plus 2y minus 4z is equals to 0. 6 times 3k plus 2y minus 4 times 15k is equals to 0. Okay. So 6 times 3, 18k plus 2y minus. So 15 times 4 is equal to 60k is equals to 0. Is equal to 0. So you are going to transpose this 18k and 60k. So 2y is equals to 60k minus 18k. Resulting, so 2y is equal to 60 minus 18k is 42k. 42k. So you cancel. So y is equals to 21k. So this is, so you already find x, y, and z. So to check it, you simply substitute to the first and second equation. So check. So 6 times 3k plus 2 times 21k minus 4 times 15k is equals to 0. So 18k plus 21. So 2 times 21 is equals to 42k minus 15 times 4 is equals to 60k. So 18k plus 42k is equals to 60k minus 60k is equal to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. So it shows that it shows that x, y, and z value are all correct.
So this is another problem on how to solve ratio and proportion using property of equal ratios. So also in this problem, it is easy to eliminate y. To eliminate y, we must multiply the first equation into 5. So it becomes 5 times 3x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Then it becomes 15x plus 5y minus 5z is equal to 0. Then bring down the second equation. 3x minus 5y plus z is equal to 0. Then add. So here we can see and we can now cancel y. Then add 15x plus 3x is equal to 18x minus 4z is equal to 0. So now is transposition method. 18x is equal to 4z. Now we can say z. So x over z is equal to 18 over 4 is equal to k. So cross multiplication x is equal to 4k and z is equal to 18k. To find, so we now find the x and z. To find the y, we simply substitute. It's either the first equation or the second equation. So 3 times 4k plus y minus 18k is equal to 0. So 12k plus y minus 18k is equal to 0. So y is equal to 18k minus 12k. Y is equal to 6k. So we find also the y. To see if our answers are correct, let's check. So check. Let's use first the first equation. 3x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Don't forget to write first the original equation because you will confuse what you substitute first. So substitute 3, then 4k plus 6k minus 18k is equal to 0. 12k plus 6k minus 18k is equal to 0. 18k minus 18k is equal to 0. And 0 is equal to 0. For the second equation, this is for the first equation. Then second equation. 3x minus 5y plus z is equal to 0. 3 times 4k minus 5 times 6k plus 18k is equal to 0. 12k minus 30k plus 18k is equal to 0. Negative 18k plus 18k is equal to 0 and 0 is equal to 0. So the given values for x, y, and z are correct.
So this is another problem, so let's try to solve it. So a minus 4b is equal to a plus 4b is equal to 4 is to 14. So we can think that a minus 4b is a and a plus 4b is b and 4 is c and this is d. So a over b is equal to c over d is equal to k. So this is the property of equal ratios. So we can apply it now. A minus 4b over a plus 4b is equal to 4 over 14. So cross multiply. So a 14 times a minus 4b to 4 times a plus 4b. So 14a minus 14 times 4 is equal to 56. 56b is equal to 4a plus 4 times 4 is 16b. So 14a, so 14a minus 4a is equal to 56b plus 16b. 14 minus 4a is equal to 10a. 56 plus 16b is 72b. So we have a, b to 72 over 10. So a is equal to 72k and b is equal to 10k. So there is a k because a is equal to 72k and b is equal to 10k because we put k here. So now to find the ratio of 2a minus 2b is to 4a minus 4b. To find 2a minus 2b is to 4a minus 4b. We substitute the answer to the value of a and b. So 2a minus 2b and 4a minus 4b. So we substitute a and b. 2 times 72k minus 2 times 10k. Okay, so 4 times 72k minus 2 times 10k. 4 times 10k, sorry. So yeah, 2 times 72, so 72 is equals to 144k minus 20k over 72 times 4 is 288 minus 4 times 10, 48. So minus 144k minus 20k is equal to 124k and 288, 248. 248k. When we divide it, 1, 2. So the ratio of 2a minus 2b is to 4a minus 4b equals to 1 is to 2. So this is the ratio.
So, this is another problem on solving ratio and proportion using property of equal ratios. In this problem, it is easy to find the values of a, b, and c by equaling it to k. So, we can now say that a is equal to 4k, b is equal to 5k, c is equal to 6k, and to find the value of x, let's say that x is equal to xk. So, to find x, we simply substitute the given values. So, 2 times 4k plus 3 times 5k minus 2 times 6k over xk. Then, multiply 8k plus 15k minus 12k over xk. 8k plus 15k is 23k minus 12k over xk. 23k minus 12k is 11k over xk. Or we can also say that 11k is equal to xk over k, then cancel k, cancel. We can now find the value of x, which is 11. To check if the value of x is correct, let's substitute 2a plus 3b minus 2c over xk. Don't forget to write the original equation before substituting the values. 2 times 4k plus 3 times 5k minus 2 times 6k over 11k. 8k plus 15k minus 12k over 11k. 8k plus 15k is 23k minus 12k over 11k. So 11k over 11k, or 11k is equal to 11k. So the value of x is